In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Facebook. It's easy. Okay, first, just open the Facebook app, and then here at home you need to go to menu by clicking on this button here at the upper right corner. And then you need to scroll down and find the Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Then go to Settings. Here you need to go to the Account Center. Here it is. You can click on this button here. But if the Account Center is not here, just click on the Search button here at the top. Then search for Account Center. Here is the Account Center. Click on it. Here, to change your name, you need to click on Profiles. Then click on your Facebook account. And then here, click on Name. And you can now change your name here. Just edit your first name, middle name, and last name. For those who want to know how to one name on Facebook like this, I have a separate tutorial about that. Just click on the link above or in the description. Now let's edit my name. Let's add a last name. And once you are done changing your name, click on the Review Change. Select how your name will appear on your profile. Then click on Save Changes. I have successfully changed my name on Facebook.